learn a lot, achieve a lot. When you start working in a huge reputed firm, you can earn. Until then, I am here for you, right? You must not worry at all. And you know it? You have tons of money.
Mom, your hand seems warm. Your forehead seems warm too.
No, it's because I just woke up. You get ready. Hey, I do have a fever.
Neha? Hey, Neha!
Yes, uncle. What is it, uncle?
What is it? Aren't you feeling well? Why do your eyes look so fuzzy?
No, uncle. I'm fine. Where are you going?
I am going for a christening ceremony.
Whose christening is it, uncle?
You know my friend, right? Milind. It's his son's christening.
But uncle, Milind's son is doing his MBA. Is it his christening?
It happened 22 years ago. Why are you having another christening for him? It's not his son's wedding. It's his nephew's wedding. He says the most random things.
Hey, I was telling you correctly, huh? You confused me unnecessarily.
I heard you and what you said correctly. Listen, you are the one who forgot to take the gift pack with you. Take this. Engineer, how will you manage when I'm not around you? Have you been to the washroom?
Why are you asking me random questions in public?
What is wrong about asking this? It's a long 4-hour journey. The conductor will yell at you if you need to use the washroom midway. Then you'll only argue with him.
Okay, I'll be back.
Did you see that? He forgets and scolds me instead.
Aunt, why don't you go for the wedding?
How can I go? Who will take care of Pari?
Aunt, I'm home today. I'll take care of Pari. You must go, really. Tell me, where is the wedding?
At Alibag.
Alibag is quite close by, Aunt.
Yes, but one has to stay over for a day there.
So what? Do it. It will be a nice change for you and company for uncle. I'll stay with Pari. So don't worry.
Okay, then since you said so, I will go.
Morning.
Good morning, Yash.
Good morning.
Hello, Shefali. Listen, I'm not feeling well. I have a fever.
Oh God! Do you really have a fever?
Shefali, why must you shout it out? I have a fever.
Oh no! Why do you have a fever?
The fever doesn't seek permission before it strikes.
I don't mean that. But why didn't I get a fever?
It's good, right? Why do you want to fall sick?
If I had a fever, I would not come to the office. Then you would have told Sameer sir that I am sick.
Okay, then?
La 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 la. La 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 la. He would have rushed over to me. He would have sat by my side. He would have taken care of me. He would have placed cool water compresses on my forehead. He would have fed me personally. How romantic.
Shefali, listen to me. Listen, I have a fever and I am not feeling well. Please, can you give this message to Mr. Ghartonde?
What? Yes, I will tell him. Okay, bye.
Bye. Pari dear, play I'll go throw away the garbage outside.
Shefali,
Yes?
why do you react like that to someone who has a fever?
It's not just anyone. Neha has a fever. Oh no. I wish I had fallen sick instead of her.
Neha has a fever?
Yes, she does. If I had a fever, Sameer sir would take such a good care of me. Yash! Whenever I have something important to say, he has work to do.
Friend has called.
Hello, Neha. Shefali said that you've got a fever. Is everything all right?
Friend, it's me, Pari. Mom went out to throw the garbage.
What? Why must she go out to dispose the garbage? Let me speak to Uncle Bandhu, dear.
Uncle Mandu has gone to Alibag.
Oh. But is mom feeling okay?
I told mom to rest, but she isn't listening to me. What can I do? If I don't listen to her, she scolds me. If mom doesn't listen, who scolds her? Uncle and aunt has gone out too. Friend, what if something happens to my mom? Please come over. Mom may listen to you at least.
Okay, friend, I'll come over. But don't say anything to mom, okay? It's our secret.
Bye, friend.
Yash,
I'm leaving.
where are you going?
So, there's a meeting with the Mehtas today, right?
Mehta's. When was this meeting scheduled?
It was already scheduled, sir. They sent a reminder about it. I'll go and attend it, sir. Excuse me.
But Yash, hello?
What is it, dear?
Mom, you should sleep. You have a fever, right?
Yes, dear. I'll sleep. First, you should eat. Do you want save over the poor?
I'm not hungry.
Will you take your injection on an empty stomach then?
I don't even want that today. You should just sleep.
I will sleep. You should eat a bit, then I'll sleep. Come, eat this. Pari, you will be a good girl, right? Then you must eat. Listen to me. I'm not well, right? Don't make me yell for no reason. Eat up.
Someone is going to scold you.
What? My child?
Hi, friend. Where's mom? Is she sleeping?
Pari, who is here?
Hey,
What are you doing here?
what are you doing here?
What do you mean?
Hey, don't you have a fever, Neha?
I was.
Go and lie down.
If you get late to go to the office, Mr. Ghatonde will scold you.
That Ghartonde. I asked sir and came over. Not to worry. Why are you standing? Please sit.
Yes?
Sit, please. Are you insane? You've got a fever. Lie down for a
Yes,
bit.
what are you doing?
Neha, you have a fever. It's critical.
Yes, I have a fever. What's critical about this? I will feel better after having a pill.
Okay. Tell me, which pill did the doctor prescribe?
The doctor didn't prescribe it. It's the pill I normally take.
The medical. Are you serious? You don't just take random pills. You must only take pills prescribed by the doctor, okay? You're playing with your lives here. Get up. Let's get a blood test done.
What? Blood test? Yes, it's an ordinary fever.
Okay. Dr. Joseph, hi. Are you at the hospital?
Hospital?
Okay. Can you send an ambulance as fast as possible? I'll send you the address.
Ambulance?
Yeah. And we also need to do a few blood tests. I think we need to admit. Okay.
Yash, who gets admitted to hospital for a fever?
People get admitted to hospital after they have a fever.
No, Yash, I won't go to the hospital. Listen to me. I will get my regular medicine at the medical store. Get it for me. I will feel better. I won't go to the hospital or get any tests done. You end up spending up to 5,000 rupees and the tests reveal nothing and it's a waste of money. I won't get anything done.
What? You won't get a blood test done since it's a waste of money. It's good if that report shows up nothing, but what's the problem?
Yash, please sit. I'll go and fetch the pill.
One moment, you sit. I'll fetch it. Tell me the name of the pill.
Go to the store. They know what it is. Tell them Miss Neha has a fever. They will give you.
You don't even know the name of the pill.
Will you go or should I
I'm
go?
going. You watch it, okay, friend? Don't let her go anywhere.
Yes.
I'll go fetch the medicine.
Yes.
Kranti, someone called Gujarati will come. Send him in directly without an appointment. I need to meet him.
Listen,
Rahul, come and meet me inside after lunchtime. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Pawar, I'm glad we met. This is the file. Thank you. The last month's profits and losses are not updated in this. Please check on that.
Let me check it, sir.
Is your sandal broken?
no, sir. Actually, I'm feeling really dizzy and feverish.
Okay, then there must be this guy, Gartonde. Tell him and take the day off.
Of course, sir.
Okay. Oh no. Why has aunt come here?
Statue.
What is it, dear?
Friend told me to not let mom get up.
My dear, it's time for your injection, right? I have to get up.
Mom, friend will scold me. Mom.
I will be back, dear. Come and sit. Let's give you the injection.
Mom, did you get sick since I behaved like a bad girl yesterday?
No, dear. I was a bit tired. That's why I got sick. By tomorrow, the fever will be gone.
Friend, why are you standing there? Come in.
Injection?
I have diabetes, so I must take an injection every day.
Since Pari was 2 years old, she has had diabetes. She has to take an injection every single day.
Please wait. Let me get the injection. Let me give it. On the arm, right?
Yes, right there.
Don't worry, okay?
Let it be.
Huh?
You can't do it. Let me give it.
It's true. You have to be a mother for this.
You have to be a woman for this.
Where is Yash? Where is Yash?
Yash has gone out
Out as in where?
for a meeting.
Who is the meeting with?
I don't know.
You don't know who Yash has a meeting with. Surprising.
Simi, why are you asking me all this then? You need to talk to Yash about this directly. Sorry, I really don't know, Simi. That's why please speak to Yash directly.
Sameer, you come to our place at any odd time. You behave any way you want. We put up with all of that. But there is a difference between the house and the office. Don't you think so?
Simi, what are you trying to say?
You always play chess with Dad, right?
Yes.
The pawn must never consider himself a king. There are many pawns. The king is only one.
You're right, Simi. You're absolutely right. There is only one king. That's our Yash. He's the only king. Rest are all of them are pawns. Right? Oh, sorry. It's Yash's call. I'll be back. Hello, Yashvardhan Chaudhary. Where are you?
I told you I'm in a meeting with the Mehtas.
Boss, how much till you get here?
We're discussing very important details. Don't disturb.
What do you mean, don't disturb? There has been a problem here. Simi has come into the office. She's boring me for no reason at all. You listen to me, Yash. Come back at once or we will be exposed.
Do one thing. Leave the office.
Hey, but what should I tell her before I leave?
Sameer, tell her anything you want. Tell her you're going for an important meeting and leave, okay?
But
I can't speak for too long now, okay? Okay? Bye.
Suresh,
Yes?
I have some work to do. I'm leaving.
Where did Sameer go?
I don't know, madam. Sir just said he's going out.
You can't comb either, right?
I know how to do it. Just a minute.
Wait, let me show you.